Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetsuits.com, and today we are going to do a detailed comparison in between the Micromax Canvas HT, which was the previous flagship phone from Micromax, and the latest phone which is from Micromax is called Canvas 4, which is an upgradation for the Canvas HT which was previously available. Both of these devices are now available in the market. This one is available for a price of around 15 to 16,000 Indian rupees, or maybe less if you bargain, whereas this one comes for a price of 18,000 Indian rupees, in between 17 to 18,000 Indian rupees. And when we talk about these devices in terms of the overall look and feel, these devices definitely look different. The Canvas 4 is the latest version. The model number of this device is A210. The Canvas HT has the model number of A116 as from Micromax. Now if we actually take a look over the build quality, the Canvas 4 definitely has got a major upgrade as far as the build quality is concerned. If we compare it with the Canvas HT, the Canvas HT looks like a more plastic kind of a phone, whereas this one has got a kind of a metal finish with aluminum chassis around the edges, which actually makes the device look much more premium and quite good to hold in one hand. Now if you take a look over the design of these two devices, at the top you have the 3.5mm audio jack on the Canvas 4, and here you have it on the Canvas HT, and the LED is over here, the LED indicator is over here, whereas the LED indicator on this device has been shifted over here, and the micro USB port has been shifted from Canvas 4 from top to the bottom, as you can see over here. And both of these devices does have a secondary mic as well for noise cancellation and video chat. When it comes to the camera has got a major upgrade over here. It was an 8 megapixel camera at Canvas HT. Now it is a 13 megapixel camera, and you have LED flash over here and LED flash over here. However, the build of the LED flash is also different. One thing which we noticed on that, it has the latest Micromax logo. The back you have the Micromax logo over here. You have a big loudspeaker mesh over here, and loudspeaker mesh is like this on the Canvas 4. Taking a look over these phones from the side profile, you have plastic volume rocker. So the volume rocker is a plastic button on the Canvas HT, whereas it is a metallic button over here on the Canvas 4. And when it comes to the bands for the antenna, here we have the cutouts. These bands are actually for the antenna, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on this device. If we take a look over these devices from this side, the power and sleep key is again plastic in nature on the Canvas HT, whereas it is a metallic button on the Canvas 4. Comparing these devices in terms of the thickness, definitely the Canvas 4 is slimmer as compared to the Canvas HT. The Canvas HT has a thickness of 10.1 millimeter, whereas the Canvas 4 has a thickness of 8.9 millimeter. So this one is fairly slim in terms of the thickness, and also in terms of the weight, there is a little difference in terms of the weight. This device weigh around 156 gram because of the metal finish, weigh around 158 grams. So when it comes to the display resolution is same on both of these two devices, as well as the technology of the display is also same. You may feel like that the display is much more vibrant over here, but that is because of the wallpaper which we have on this device. The display is fairly same. You have IPS LCD display on both of these devices, with a pixel density of 294 pixels per inch, and the resolution of the display is high definition, that is 720 into 1280. Another difference in terms of the front glass display is that you have Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the Canvas 4, whereas you do not have the Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the Canvas HT. Taking a look over these devices from the back side, both of these devices are the dual SIM phone. As you can see, you have the dual SIM slot, and both of them has 2000 mAh battery. Both of them has micro SD memory card slot to expand the storage of the device. Another major difference in between these two devices is the storage, the internal storage. The Canvas HT has got an internal storage of 4 GB, out of which around 1.77 GB is actually user available, in which the user can install application, which is fairly low. As you can see over here, comes with an inbuilt storage of 16 GB, and out of which around 10.02 GB is actually available to the user, as you can see. So you have 10 GB available on this device, whereas you have 1.77 GB available on the Canvas HT. Now talking about the camera on these two devices, when it comes to the camera, you have 2 megapixel camera which is fixed focus camera on the front on Canvas HT, whereas you have 5 megapixel front camera which is again a fixed focus camera on the Canvas 4. If we talk about the back camera is 8 megapixel over here, 13 megapixel over here. You can record high definition video at 720p on this device with 30 frames a second, and you can record high definition video at 1080p on this device with 30 frames per second. Another difference in between these two devices is the version of Android. So the Canvas HT comes with 4.1.2 version installed on this device out of the box. You can always upgrade it to 4.2 as well, whereas the Canvas 4 comes with 4.2.1 out of the box. If we take a look over the hardware information for these two devices, the model number of this device is A116, whereas this one is A210. You have ARM V7 processor on this device. You have the same processor over here as well. So both of these two devices have the same processor, that is 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, as you can see, and it is the MediaTek 6589 chipset on both of these phones. Comes to the sensors, you have same kind of sensors on both of these phones, and the effective display resolution is also same on both of these phones. As you can see, you have the same GPU on these two devices, that is PowerVR SGX 544MP, PowerVR SGX 544MP. On hardware front, both of these devices are fairly same. Both of them have same kind of processor. The same quad-core processor is there. The same GPU is there on both of these two devices. Both have 1 GB of RAM. So as both of these two devices are running different version of Android, when it comes to the free RAM which you get on this device, on Canvas HT you get a free RAM of around 636 MB, as you can see, whereas on the Canvas 4 you get around 532 MB of RAM free. So on AnTuTu benchmark, the Canvas HT scores 11956, whereas the Canvas 4 scores 13168. There is a minimal difference in terms of the benchmark score as well, because both of these devices are powered with same kind of hardware. On NinaMark, the Canvas 4 performs a score of 45.2 FPS, which is good, and on Canvas HT we have got a score of 40.3 FPS, as you can see. So that's all from us as far as the quick comparison of the Canvas 4 with the Canvas HT. Both of these devices are fairly same in terms of the hardware. In terms of the overall camera performance, Canvas HT is little bit lower because of the 8 megapixel camera which we have on this device, whereas the Canvas 4 is pretty good, especially in daylight photos. When it comes to the front camera quality is also better on the Canvas 4 as compared to the Canvas HT, and the user available memory on the Canvas 4 is much larger as compared to the user available memory from the internal storage on the Canvas HT. Do let us know if you have any specific question for the Canvas 4 or for the Canvas HT. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you. Do let us know if you have any specific question for the Canvas 4 or for the Canvas HT. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this.